Hello there, and welcome back to another episode of the A.I.asphere. Thank you for joining me. Today's episode is about 5 high paying jobs in the AI industry that require no degree. This list is in no particular order, so without further ado, here we go. Number 1, AI sales engineer and technical sales. Estimated salary for 2025, 150,000 to 230,000. That's base plus commission since these are sales positions. What it is. This role serves as the bridge between technical product development and the client. The sales engineer demonstrates the software, explains how it solves specific business problems, and answers complex technical questions that standard sales representatives cannot address. What's the barrier to entry? Low for those who have prior sales experience, but a little bit more difficult for those new to sales, but you have strong technical knowledge. So that's important. Why no degree? Companies prioritize individuals who can speak the language while maintaining strong social and negotiation skills. A candidate who can explain concepts like RAG to a non-technical CEO is often more valuable than a purely technical sales engineer. So, if you're a technical person and you have experience with sales, by all means, I think this is a good job to pursue. Number 2, AI implementation specialist. Estimated salary, 95,000 to 160,000. Keep in mind, a lot of these salaries are probably going to be more than likely dependent on your location. So, what is it? This role focuses on setting up AI workflows for businesses. It involves connecting LLMs to internal company data using automation platforms like Make or Zapier or N8N. Some key skills that'll help you with this job: Python, some basic scripting, JSON knowledge, API integration, and proficiency with automated tools. So why no degree for this one? This is often viewed as a quote-unquote digital tradesman role. It requires practical, hands-on knowledge of APIs, logic flow, and data handling, skills rarely taught in traditional university curriculums. Experience with configuring models and managing data pipelines is directly applicable. So if this is something that you are familiar with and have experience with, definitely look into those jobs. Number 3, senior technical writer for AI. Estimated salary, 90,000 to 145,000 a year. What is it? Responsible for creating documentation, user guides, and integration manuals for AI tools. Because AI development moves rapidly, engineers often lack the time to produce documentation. Companies pay a premium for writers who understand the technology and can communicate it clearly. Some key skills: technical clarity and the ability to read and understand basic code structures and understand workflows. Why no degree? Portfolios are often the primary metric for hiring. A job seeker who can produce clean and easy to follow how-to guides, especially when it comes to AI, and can demonstrate the necessary competence, I think will stand above others who are applying for these types of jobs. Number 4, reinforcement learning from human feedback, data annotation specialist, 70,000 to 120,000 a year. What is this? The specialist acts as the teacher for the model, reviewing complex code outputs or answers and ranking them for accuracy and safety. Why no degree? Platforms verify skills through direct testing, so passing a Python coding assessment or domain-specific test is often the only requirement for employment, regardless of your academic background. Now, it is well known that a lot of these companies, that when you do take the assessment test, they don't always get back to you right away. Sometimes people are waiting several weeks to several months or not at all. So just keep that in mind when you apply for these types of jobs. Number 5, freelance local AI cloud architect. Estimated income, $100 to $300 an hour. Of course, that's contract work, so it's going to be a little bit more. But also keep in mind you're not going to have any benefits like healthcare and dental and vision. What is it? This role involves helping small businesses such as law firms, medical clinics, or financial offices set up private local AI infrastructure. Many of these industries are wanting to integrate AI into their business, but they cannot use public cloud models due to strict data privacy and compliance regulations like HIPAA. The opportunity: consultants charge fees to configure high-performance workstations or on-premise servers with local models, ensuring sensitive client data never leaves the office network. Why no degree? This is a results-based consulting field. Success is driven by the consultant's reputation and their ability to deliver a secure, functioning local system. So if this is something that you have experience in, definitely don't hesitate to look for these types of jobs. So that's it for the jobs. If you look in the description, I've also included a list of companies that are looking for these types of roles. I've also included search terms to help you look for them if you're using something like LinkedIn or Indeed, because not all of them are really obvious on what to look for. But give that a look. Hopefully that'll help. Hopefully that'll get you going and get you a steady paycheck. With that, thank you for joining me and have a good one.